Hi everyone. We're building a waterfall from the scratch basically. So we came to this piece of land in the area here in the backyard, and we digged. We took all the dirt and we removed it. We put it on the sides a little bit, and we started to make some steps, okay, trying to be leveled as much as possible. And then in the back we started to build for the reservoir. So over here I've put the bricks and tried to be leveled as much as possible. Use this sort of leveling, and you can see it's actually quite good. All right, so next step is to use the underlayment, and then start using the liner to put it together, and then build the reservoir on the top. So I've bought some stones from a store in Snohomish, and you can see it's 6 feet each one of those, and the other ones there, they are about 5, 4.5, and so on. Okay, those are going to be placed in this area, and then we'll show you how we will go after it. But the major work is digging and then leveling those steps, as I said. But you don't have to go crazy as I did, because this stuff here, you still can level it using some sands. When you put the underlayment, you can come back again and put some sands underneath and start leveling the stones which goes on the top. So when the stone is placed, then you will need to level each area by itself and make sure that it is leveled side to side, but it is slightly sloped toward the water pond basically. All right, so this is the updates for now, and we'll see you later.